Good morning students. Today I start class 3rd NCERT book lesson The Yellow Butterfly. The Yellow Butterfly. First I'll read the lesson, just you see. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer, and still closer, but then, see here, a yellow butterfly flew around in the gardens. Whose garden? That is Sonu's garden. In Sonu's garden, yellow color butterfly flew around. Sonu saw this. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. You two doing like that only, no? So Sonu also ran behind the butterfly to catch it. Butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. See here in the picture you can see, no? Red rose. The butterfly sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. Sonu said, I can catch it now. He walked slowly to catch the butterfly, but butterfly escaped. Off flew the butterfly. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. See, after the butterfly, that butterfly ran, where that ran? Near the garden. Near the garden there is one pond. In the pond, white color lotus. We see in the picture. Can you see their picture? Here are the white lotus. On the white lotus, butterfly come and sat. Isn't it? Okay. Grew around leaves, they floated in the water. Leaves are floated, no? Floated. Here, see they. Leaves are floated. Butterfly sat near the white lotus. Can you see in the picture? Yes, see there. Next, what happened? The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water, and off flew the butterfly. Where was it? Sonu looked up. He looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. It had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. After that, Sonu goes in the water slowly to catch the butterfly. But butterfly again escaped from there. Okay. After that, butterfly sat on a pretty flower. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. I can catch you, shouted. Sonu is shouted, I can catch you. He climbed up the tree. Up he climbed, but back it flew down from the tree. Again that after the white lotus, the butterfly went to the top of the tree. But Sonu again climbed the tree. When Sonu climbed the tree, again that butterfly come down. Back it flew down from the tree. Sonu jumped down too. Sonu also jumped from the tree. He chased the butterfly from the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree. But he could not catch the butterfly. Can we go next page? Yes. See in the next page, Sonu could not see it at all. He looked everywhere. At last he saw the butterfly. There was a big spider's web in the peach tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. It fluttered its wings. It twisted and turned, but it could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. See there, After that butterfly, Sonu see here and there, but Sonu saw that butterfly in the on the tree. There is one web, spider's web. This is called spider's web. On the spider's web, the butterfly sat. Can you see in the picture? Yes. He looked sad. The butterfly was caught in the spider. Butterfly caught in the spider's web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. That butterfly wanted to escape from there, but he could not escape. He could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. After, poor butterfly. In the middle of the web was a big spider. In the middle of the web, see their center, there is a big spider. It looked hungry. It wanted to catch the butterfly. The spiders want to catch the butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. Before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. That when the Sonu sees everything, Sonu ran and caught the butterfly. It was so pretty. Butterfly was so pretty. He had brown spots on its yellow wings. He has brown spots on its yellow wings. Sonu loved the little butterfly, but it looked sad in Sonu's hand. Sonu wanted to be happy. Sonu wanted it to be happy. Can we go next page? Yes. The next, see there. Go, said Sonu. Fly away. He let the butterfly go. Sonu let the butterfly to go. It sat on the red rose. Again that butterfly go and sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree and then sailed on a lotus leaf. It flew merrily from flower to flower. Merrily from flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. The butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. And Sonu let the butterfly. This is very nice, no? Butterfly. It has yellow color wings and brown color spots. These are called spots, isn't it? This is looking nice. But when Sonu caught this, that was unhappy. But when the Sonu let the butterfly, that butterfly is very happy. And when Sonu let the butterfly went and sit on the red rose and peach tree. After that lotus leaf, then flew and flew flower to flower. It will be happy now. Can you understand this lesson, children? Okay, here are some new words. See there. Escape, pond, peach, climb, catch, middle, hungry, float, shout, chase, flutter and twist. See here. Escape. Escape means to run away. Escape means to run away. Pond. Pond means a small body of water. In the picture you see, no? That is called pond. Next, peach. Peach means name of the yellow fruity juice. Yellow color fruity juice is called peach. This is peach fruit. Climb. Climb means to go up. To go up. Next, catch. To hold something. To hold something. Middle. Middle means at an equal distance of something. At an equal distance of something. Next, hungry. Need for food. Hungry means need for food. Float. Float means to move slowly in a liquid. To move slowly in a liquid. Shout. They see the shout. Shout means to utter a loud cry. To utter a loud cry. Chase. Chase means to catch up with. Catch up with. Next, flutter. Flutter means to flap the wings quickly. To flap the wings quickly. Next, twist. Next one, twist. Twist means form into a bend. Form into a bend. Can you understand this lesson, children? Okay, just you read and learn this lesson. Remaining, there given reading is fun. See, their question answers are there. I will send it in our WhatsApp group. Just you watch, read and learn this lesson. Okay, understand, children? Okay, bye. Thank you.